Opera has introduced a new safety feature that protects against malicious clipboard attacks. Hey GadInsider, welcome to your Tech Hub. The company said in a blog post that with Paste Project, Opera becomes the first major browser to include a native protection and warning system against ClickFix-based cyberattacks. And if you're thinking, what is ClickFix? Well, it's a surprisingly ordinary attack that doesn't rely on scary warnings. Often under the guise of a captcha prompt, ClickFix copies malicious code into your computer's clipboard when you click the "I'm not a robot" or similar button. It then brings up a set of instructions to complete the verification, like telling you to press Win+R to open a run dialog, Control-V to paste the bad code, and Enter to run it. The copied code will often tell your computer to go to a specified website, grab a file, and run it. It can also be hidden or disguised by extra characters. Once you've run the code, the command can run info-stealer malware that can access saved passwords, browser autofill data, cookies for auto logins, and more. It can be stopped if your browser spots the malicious command before it enters your clipboard, and that's where Opera's Paste Protect feature comes in. It detects malicious scripts on Windows, macOS, and Linux, locks the copy action, and warns you about what just happened while flagging the address bar with a red icon. Users can see the first 120 command characters and mark sites as safe in the case of a false positive. If you don't use Opera browser, know that it's best known for efficient memory use and free built-in VPN. Now, Paste Protect is activated by default as well, but you can turn it on or off in the browser. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.